Hi, guys. Oh, sorry, I realized my camera was off here. Hi.
Hi,
Hi,
Hi. I'm Rebecca.
I'm Zach.
I'm Gwen.
Nice to meet you guys. So I know our teacher gave us a teacher team spreadsheet. I have it open. Do you guys all have it?
I just
Yeah,
opened it.
and
Yes.
Okay, awesome. All right, so it looks like we are Team Unicorn. Um,
Okay.
and what's
I'm
the date?
I'm looking at the date, the 28th. So it looks like I'm the resource manager. I'm supposed to share my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I can share with this. Let me share the spreadsheet first.
Okay.
That's the wrong thing. So let me find the right one.
There we go. Now I see our names. So it looks like I'm supposed to be the task manager. Gwen, I don't have a clock with me.
Oh,
Would you mind taking that one and I'll be the facilitator?
I sure could. I will switch with you. Sure.
Thank you. Okay. All right. So I'll be the facilitator. Um, all right. So I'm just gonna look at those sentence starters that are over there. I don't really know how to get started here. Okay.
I'm sharing my screen. I'm also the reporter, right?
Oh,
Okay.
right.
Yeah, since we are
Right.
only a group of 3.
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, so then I also have the Desmos activity open from the teacher. Do you
Yeah.
guys
Okay. Me too.
And let me switch
mind?
to that since I'm the resource manager here. So
Thank
we're on
you.
this slide here.
Sure. Yes.
All right, so I'll read this one just to get us started. So 3.1.5, how can I graph it? Today you will graph a rule by first making a table and then by plotting the points from your table on a graph. You will also continue to find patterns in tables and graphs. All right. Any questions about what that was saying?
Looks like we're going to be finding patterns.
All right. Can you go to the next slide, Zach?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Anyone willing to read this slide?
I can. Game number 1, guess my rule. It looks like there's a table with numbers on the left side on the X value, but not the Y. Once you have the rule figured out, enter it in the math box below. Then explain how you found your answer. Talk about what you tried that didn't work as well as what worked.
Okay.
So we have a whole bunch of inputs, a whole bunch of X's, and 3 outputs to start from.
Yeah. They're not in order, so that's making it a little harder.
Yeah, and it looks like we can't switch the order at all. I just
Did we want a place to write here?
like a place to show our thinking or something.
Yeah, like here. Let me.
I'm going to watch the time. I think the teacher said we had about 5 minutes to work on this problem.
Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah, I remember that. So looking at it, I do see there's when x is negative 0.5, the y value is negative 5. There's also a spot where x is negative 1/2, and negative 1/2 and negative 0.5 are the same thing. So shouldn't that y value also be negative 5?
That's a good catch.
Yeah, I think so. Let's put that in there, and if it ends up being wrong, oh look, there's a check mark when we get it right.
Nice. Okay. Thanks for the Jamboard, Zach. I'm going to it right now. So we can just write on here, right? And any thinking we have. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm seeing negative 0.5 or negative 1/2 turns into negative 5. What if the rule is multiply by 10?
I think
Um,
that would work, but that doesn't work for the -4 one.
Oh, right, because that would be negative 4.
yeah, I
Yeah.
put 0 in for 0 because 0 times 10 is 0. That didn't work.
Oh, that didn't.
Yeah, I just put in the chat the -4 times 10 is -40. That doesn't
Mhm.
work. I think it would be helpful to find what, like when x is 0.
Yeah.
Can we have, do we think that this is a line?
Yeah, like a linear equation. We've been doing that a lot in class.
So we can, here, let me write down the, or can you, because I'm on the Jamboard, can
Yeah.
someone read the points that we have and I'll write
Sure.
them
We have negative 0.5 and negative 5 as one point. We have negative 4 and negative 19 as another point. And we have 1 and 1 as a third point.
So I see Rebecca is making a graph for us.
Yeah, it's going to be hard to get that like -19 on there. So maybe we have to count by 2s or something.
Here, I have an idea for that. Let me, negative 0.5. So is this what you were thinking of doing, Rebecca?
Oh, nice. Did you use decimals to make that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and then just see if those points can be connected with a line.
It does. It looks like they should be on a line.
Mm-hmm.
So is there, how would we figure out what line they're on?
So I know we've been using like the y equals, sorry, that's my straight line. The y equals mx plus b. Could we do that?
Are you writing that, Gwen? I see your face there.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure, we have points, right? So how could we don't know the b, the y-intercept, right? And we're close, we could guess, but could we figure out m, the slope?
Yeah.
Can't we do the like the rise over the run?
Yeah, we could.
I mean, I don't really want to work with that decimal. So you're thinking like this sort of thing?
Yeah.
I do think that would work great.
Yeah.
So how?
I'll put that up here.
How much did we go up here? We went up from -19 to 1. That's 20, right?
Mm-hmm. And then we went over 5, -4 and 1.
-4 to 1, yeah. So Gwen, are you writing that?
Yeah, I did 20 rise over 5 run.
Yeah.
Oops.
That should be
That's the timer.
Oh,
so
no.
Should we? Well, we're really close, I think.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, I feel like we're almost there because now we just have to find the B.
Yeah.
Let's just try to finish this one.
Let's just keep working. We're almost there.
So we have y equals 4x plus b, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And so I see 3 variables there, like y, x, and b.
Mm-hmm.
And I think we can plug in because we're trying to find b. So I think we need to plug something in for x and y.
Can we use the really easy one, 1, 1 here?
Yeah.
Oh, Gwen, do you want to use? Oh, I see your
Yeah.
letter.
I'm just labeling them.
So we have 1 equals 4 times 1, right?
Mhm.
Plus b. So that's 1 equals 4 plus b. Can we think of something we can add to 4 to get 1?
We can zero pair it with a -4, couldn't we?
That'll get us 0.
Well,
Then how do we get 1?
I would subtract 4 from each side to get b
Yeah.
by itself.
-4 on
Oh,
both.
okay.
Add a -4.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. So this is -3 is b.
Okay.
So we think that it's y equals 4x minus 3.
Yeah, I agree. We could test it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna here. Let me share. I wonder if Desmos will tell us if we're right, but let's see if it goes through. Right, so look at that.
Nice. I think we got it.
I think we got it. That's awesome.
So y equals 4x minus 3.
So then,
Yeah, I can write down what do you. What should
so
we write?
Can I actually share my screen for a second? I don't really know how to explain it real quick.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I just went to try to like fill in the table, and I noticed that it's really a calculator. So I started typing, I was doing like 4, and then for x, I put 7 because that's the x value. So I did 4 times 7 minus 3, and it gave me 25. So I think we could do that
Awesome.
for all of these. 4 times 10 minus 3.
That just confirms that we got it right. That
Yeah,
validates
so
it.
it's working for all of them.
Wow.
So I don't know.
Good find, Rebecca.
Thanks. Zach, since you're our recorder, do you want to put those numbers in? I think we should all put them in our table.
Absolutely.
Yep, I did it.
Okay.
You got to watch the time. I know teacher wants us to come.
Oh, yeah.
So we
Zach, do you want to share again? I can stop.
Yeah, it should still be there when you stop sharing. Okay. So we first graphed the points, right?
Mm-hmm.
You noticed they might be on a line. We used first find the slope and then find the y-intercept.
I don't know if you should put this. I just Googled y equals mx plus b because I forgot the name of it. It's called slope-intercept form.
Oh,
I don't know if that would be a good thing to put in.
That would be good.
I always forget the name of that. I think I'm going to put that in my notes too.
We found the equation.
And how we found the slope too, the rise over the run. I know there's another way of finding it, but since we had it graphed, I think that was the fast way of finding it.
Oh, that's a slope triangle, right?
Yes.
I think that's what it's called.
Mm-hmm. Okay, is everybody getting that answer written down? Thanks for sharing your screen, Zach.
Zach, would you mind copying what you put, that explanation, and putting it in the chat so we can all copy it?
Sure. Do we want to? The last thing we did is we put it in the table, which told us we were right.
Oh, yeah. We
Yeah.
checked our answers in the table.
I mean, we did it by hand first, and then Rebecca found that the Desmos did that for us.
Yeah, I don't know if it looks like the formatting worked okay.
Yeah. And we were all
Oh.
talking it through.
When I pasted it, it kind of got a little funny, but
Oh,
That's probably okay. That the teacher will see we worked together, right?
yeah.
absolutely.
Oh no, it worked.
Okay.
That was a good explanation too.
Yeah.
Thanks, Zach.
I'll be
Thanks.
interested to see what other teams say.
All right. So what are we supposed to do now, Gwen? I think we took a lot of time, but
Yeah, I think we are at our limit right now. Do we have 2 more minutes, or I was looking at the schedule, but
Yeah, I don't know.
I think we all worked really hard on this one and we got one. I think what she said is we need to make sure we get through the first one and
Okay.
regroup.
All right. Awesome. Well, good work, guys.
Good job.
awesome. See ya.
Bye.
See ya.